Welcome to English Waves. Learn English. Speak with confidence.
Hey everyone, welcome to English Waves, the podcast where we ride the waves of real, everyday English together. I'm Madison, your host from the sunny shores of language learning, and I'm so pumped you're tuning in today. Whether you're commuting, chilling at home, or just getting your daily English fix, you've landed in the right spot. Picture this, you're stuck in traffic in Muradnagar, earbuds in, and suddenly you're mastering English like a pro. That's the magic we create here every episode. We've got listeners from bustling cities like Delhi to quiet towns worldwide. And today is extra special because we're diving deep into one of the most versatile words in the English language.
And I'm Sam, here to surf those tricky grammar waves with you. Madison, loving the energy already. It's contagious. Hello to all our listeners from India, the US, Europe, Australia, and everywhere in between. Special shout out to our friends in Muradnagar tuning in tonight at 10 p.m. IST. Hope you're cozy with some chai. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and let's get this wave rolling.
Sam, you read my mind with the chai reference. Perfect for late night learning. All right, quick question before we dive in. Did you get my voice note this morning? You know, the one where I was rambling about our episode plan?
Oh yeah, I got it right as I was getting out of bed. First thing on my phone, buzzed me awake like an alarm I actually wanted. Did you catch that, listeners? We just dropped get twice without even trying. Madison, that's our sneaky intro to today's topic.
Exactly. That's our topic today, friends. That tiny three-letter word, G-E-T. We use it everywhere, every day. Get a coffee on your way to work, get tired after a long meeting, get the joke in a group chat. It's natural English magic, the kind that makes you sound like you've been speaking fluently forever. No more awkward pauses or textbook phrases, just pure conversational flow.
Get ready, because this episode is going to help you get it completely. No stress, just real talk, examples from life, tons of practice, listener stories, quizzes, and even some bonus challenges. We're making 2026 your year to get fluent. Whether you're a beginner just getting started or intermediate looking to polish that casual vibe, this is for you.
Sam, listeners always ask me, I hear get nonstop in movies, podcasts, chats, but what's the deal? It seems everywhere. Spill it. Break it down simple for our newbies.
Boom. 3 core meanings: receive, have, or become. That's it. No fancy dictionary needed. Let's unpack with real-life examples. Receive. I get texts from friends every hour. Have. I get weekends off to relax. Become. I get excited for podcasts like this one. Easy, right? But it goes way deeper. Stick around.
Love that breakdown. Picture New Year's 2026. Your phone blows up with notifications. I get wishes from everyone around the world. Not I receive, which sounds like a robot reading from a manual. Get feels warm, human, relatable. My phone was buzzing nonstop on January 1st. I got over 50 messages, from family in India to friends abroad. It was overwhelming, but awesome.
Same here. I got calls, texts, even video wishes. And for have, think fresh starts. This year, I get more gym time to get fit. Or become. Post-holidays, I get lazy on the couch, binge-watching shows. We all do it. No judgment.
True story. Listeners, try it right now. Pause the podcast and say aloud, I get motivated for new goals this year. Repeat it 3 times. Feels natural? That's the power of get. It sneaks into your speech effortlessly.
Let's zoom in on receive first, the MVP of get. It's probably the most common way you'll use it daily. Did you get my email about the meeting?
Not did you receive. That's formal. Real life, I get gifts at birthdays that make my day. Or I get spam calls daily. So annoying. Remember that surprise package last week?
Yes, I got your care package. Thanks for the English Waves mug. Instant joy. And culturally, what did you get for Diwali is super common.
Extended example. Hey, did you get the invite? Parties at 8 p.m. Natural flow. Practice this today. Did you get my message?
Pro tip, use quantities. I get tons of notifications, or I get 1 coffee a day. Smooth and native.
Now emotions. I get hungry at noon. That means become hungry.
Yes, I get sleepy after lunch. I get cold in winter. Or I get happy hearing your voice. Simple, emotional, human.
Traffic example. I get frustrated in jams. Positive side, I get inspired listening to podcasts.
Listener shout out. Priya said, I get anxious before exams, but English Waves helps me get calm. Love that.
Arriving usage. What time do you get home? Not arrive home.
I get to work late. I get there early. I got home safe. This is daily English gold.
Understanding meaning. I get it. Light bulb moment.
Yes, I get your point. Or I don't get this yet. Friendly and natural.
Phrasal power. Get up, get back, get ready, get better, get along.
Mistake alert. Past tense is got. I got your message yesterday.
Practice drill. Get up early, get back home safe, get ready fast, get better daily, get along with everyone.
Listener challenge. I get blank in the morning. Share with us.
Bonus time. When do you get off work? How do you get to the airport?
Idioms. Get over it. Get away with it. Get rid of.
Quiz. I blank tired after gym. Did you blank my gift?
I was tired after gym. Did you like my gift?
Correct. Past tense and simple verb.
Nice. I like this quiz style. It feels easy.
That's the goal. Learning English should feel natural.
True. So tell me, were you tired after gym yesterday?
Yes, I was very tired. My legs were hurting.
Same here. I almost skipped dinner.
Oh no. Did you eat anything?
Yes, I made a sandwich and had tea.
That sounds light and healthy.
What about you? Did you cook?
No, I ordered pasta. I was too tired to cook.
Pasta again. You really love pasta.
Yes, it's my comfort food.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me.
I was tired after work.
I was tired after work.
Did you finish your homework?
Did you finish your homework?
Good job.
Madison, quick question. What did you do last weekend?
I visited my cousin. We watched movies and talked a lot.
Sounds relaxing.
Yes, it was. What about you?
I stayed home. I cleaned my room and studied English.
That's productive.
I'm trying to improve my speaking.
Listening daily conversations really helps.
Exactly. That's why I love this podcast.
Fill in the blank. She blank happy when she saw the gift.
She was happy when she saw the gift.
Perfect.
Learning English is fun like this.
Yes, no pressure, no fear.
Just practice every day.
Even 10 minutes is enough.
Consistency is the key.
That's all for today.
Thank you for listening to English Waves.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Please like the video
subscribe to our channel.
and share it with your friends.
Comment below. What did you do yesterday?
Or what will you do this weekend?
We love reading your comments.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.